Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping the 2025 fall fashion trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. The first trend we're shopping for is the drop tier dresses. At first I wasn't too crazy about it, but I've really been loving them, and these are from Free Assembly. So it's a mock neck with the ribbing, has that side seam detail, two front pockets with the drop tier. Seam fit through the back. It's a nice lighter weight sweater material in the navy. Also comes in the red, and they're $26. Also in the drop tier, these dresses from Madden NYC. So these are off the shoulder, long sleeve, have the ruching on the side, seam fit through the back in the black. Also comes in the plum, and these are going to be $19.50. Long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic around the neck, this little hook and eye closure with the keyhole, these little bow detail down the sleeve, elastic with the drop tier. It's a nice thicker poplar material, and then the seam fit through the back. Comes in the brown, also comes in this blue and white stripe, and no price. I'll try to have the prices down below next to the link. New bell sleeve dress from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, side seam detail, tiers with the tier at the bottom. Very like Isabel Marant, Chloe, look for less. Also comes in that light blue. Mock neck sweater dresses from Scoop. So these are a stretchy knit material. Has that high neckline, fitted with the drop tier. It's not like too dropped. That's what the material looks like, a post. And then the same kind of fit through the back in the black. Also comes in a leopard, and we don't have prices on that either. I have this new dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button on the wrist, little drop tier, and then the seam in the back. And these are going to be linked down below. This is from Jessica Simpson. It has that elastic neckline. You can wear it on or off the shoulder. Elastic on the sleeve, smocked waist, fit and flare with the drop tier, and then that same fit through the back. And these are $29. The trend we're seeing is all shades of purple, and these tops are from Madden NYC. So it has that boat neckline, this little tie detail, side seam detail, the bell sleeve with the scallop trim. That little scoop you could size up if you want it to be a little more relaxed. Comes in the purple, also in the ivory, and these are $19.50. Also in a shade of purple, it's like more of like an orchid, are these dresses from No Boundaries. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, fit and flare. Also comes in the brown, and they're only $10, but these are really nice to layer. Also in the purple are these V-neck tops from No Boundaries. So these are a nice lighter weight stretchy knit material, has that V neckline, fitted through the wrist, also in the body, has really good length. In the purple, white, black, and red, and these are $6.98. Well, actually the red one is different. This has a little twist. So it comes in green, and then looks like they also have black. Also new zip pullovers from No Boundaries. So these have the mock neck when it's zipped. Inside it's a soft fleece, has that drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. These are really stretchy. And the purple also comes in black. There's ivory, and then the light blue color we're seeing a lot of. Back here, that's the blue. And they are going to be $12.98. Also in the dark plum are these lace dresses. You guys know I love this one. I've been going for it a lot. It's perfect for Florida because it's just pretty warm here, but you still have like the full coloring. Also has the black lace detail, squared in the back. These are $13.98. Cardigans from Celebrity Pink. So these have that scallop trim, has the smaller button, ribs stretchy through the wrist. In the lavender, also comes in that multicolor. So we saw this print in this mock neck. Both the same material, but you get a little layering piece, and these are going to be $15.50. And then also in the purple are these longer length strapless dresses. Also comes in the black. They're $16.98. Also new crossbody bag from US Polo. So look how pretty the pink with the burgundy. And then they also have this denim and they're $20. Next trend we're seeing is cow prints and cowhide. These are a cowhide look with that faux leather from No Boundaries boot cut. It has the button zip, perfect amount of flare, and then the seam fit through the back with flat pockets. And these are $18.98. Also in that cowhide look are these little shorts from No Boundaries. These have the double button zip. It's a stretchy material in the brown. Also comes in the black. Still has that cowhide look, and these are $12.98. They also have this cowhide look mini skirt from No Boundaries button zip. Has that seam, pockets on the back, and these are $12.98. No Boundaries slippers with the rubbered bottom, the little cow print, and I think these are online only. No, I love these denim skirts. They have that raw hem, the fading. I think they restocked the cow print. I showed that one in a haul. Really good look for less. So they have that mid-tone. There's also that pinstripe, and they're only $11.98. Next trend we're seeing are pencil skirts. So this is a top and skirt set from No Boundaries. It's a nice kind of stretchy knit material. That's what it looks like up close. Skirt has that elastic waistband fitted. It's a nice longer length. I would say midi length, with a little bit of a slit in the back. In the red, also comes in black. 2 pieces are $19.98. They also have from ladies longer length skirts. So these are mid-rise to about knee length. Has the functioning buttons, pocket, and then pockets on the back. And these are $29.98. Sneak peek, they have a new color in this corduroy skirt from Time and True. So this one has the button zip, pockets, that's slit in the front. It's a longer length, probably like knee length, with the pockets on the back. Now in the brown, we also saw it in the burgundy, and they're $16.98. Sneak peek denim skirt from Time and True. So this looks like a mid-rise. It has the pork chop pockets, all that seam detailing to about knee length, with the trouser style pockets in the back. And they don't have a price. The next trend we're shopping for are mini skirts. I know a lot of you guys are not like the biggest fan of the mini skirts, but here in Florida, I don't mind them too much just because it is super hot and I spend a lot of time outdoors. I really love these from No Boundaries, even just to wear them under my dresses. They're really good for people, look for less. And if you want, you could size up because they are stretchy. So it has the built-in shorts. They have lots of colors online in the white and then also in the black. And I think they did lengthen them. The ones that I have are a little bit shorter, I think, because I have white and black, and I definitely don't have the extra small, and I think this one is longer. So that's a plus, but they're only $7.98. So now pinstripe mini skirt from No Boundaries. So this has the thin belt, it's a shorter fit, seam through the back. I think I also saw this in another color, and they're $11.98. Also new tiered skirt from No Boundaries. These have that smocked waistband tiers. It's flowy, has the built-in shorts. In the green and navy, also comes in this red, brown, and blue, and they're $13. Also have these new lace skirts from No Boundaries. These are pull-on, flowy, built-in shorts in the black. Also comes in the ivory, and they're $11.98. Pull-on tiered skirts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, the lace trim, the seam fit through the back. In the pink, also comes in that navy, and they're $12.98. Also new skirts from Celebrity Pink. These look super short. It's a faux leather material. That's what the underneath part looks. So there is a zipper and a flap, and then it's shorts in the back. How pretty is this pink though? But those are a little too short for me. Also comes in the black. Usually their shorts and skirts are under $15. Next trend we're shopping for is sheer pieces. These are from No Boundaries. It is a mesh material. It's not see-through, but it does have that extra little layer that is sheer. So you could see up close. Has that plunging V, lettuce trim, squared in the back. I used this one for one of the outfit ideas in the last video I posted on Saturday with the black. how pretty. It has that little peak. And then I did the free assembly cardigan. 2 pieces, $19.98. You could wear the little tank with your denim and blazer, and then pair the skirt with little sweaters, your turtlenecks. And then they also have this one. It's a little sheer. It has the lace. So it has the thin strap, the little tie detail. This is going to be really cute to wear under your cardigans. Little brown cardigan, your denim, and then you can throw that skirt on with your chunky knits. And these are also 2 for $19.98. And then it also comes in this green and blue sheer little ruffle top from No Boundary. So it has the thin strap, that plunging V, the little ruffle. I would do like the little black tube top underneath this one. And then they also have the fuchsia, and these are $9.98. So new from Time and Shore, these ruffle dresses. So these have that higher neckline, the little keyhole, has the elastic on the wrist, a flowy fit through the front, also in the back with the little belt. And they are $24.98 in the pink, and then it also comes in the black. Also seeing a new color in this ruffled blouse from Time and True. So this one has the tie, that ruffle on the side, bell sleeve, flowy. It is lined in the light blue. We also saw it in the brown, and they're $17.98. New smock tank from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, square neckline. Look how pretty that looks up close. Squared on the back in this light blue with the white. Also comes in the white with the black. And they're going to be $9.98. Notice how cute are these new dresses from Celebrity Pink. So it has the smocking at the top, the long sleeve lace, bell sleeve, fit and flares out. I think I need this one. And they're $20.50. Also new from Celebrity Pink are these lace skirts. So these have an elastic waistband, tiers, flowy, same fit through the back. In the pink, also comes in the black, and they're $18.50. Blazers we're seeing very oversized, but like structured, very 80s style pantsuit. So this one is from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar lapel, nice and oversized, really good length. Has that relaxed fit through the wrist. And these are $38. Blazer and pant set from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar lapel, double-breasted buttons, really nice seam detail. It's relaxed to the wrist, has really good length. Also comes in at the waist. And to match, they have the pants. These have the side button. It says that they are a wide leg crepe. So I have these in the black, so I guess they brought them back. They do have belt loops. These are nice and comfortable, and I would say true to size. And then to match the skirts we saw in previous videos, there's a new blazer from Scoop. This has the smaller collar lapel. There's a shoulder pad, this little seam detail, 2 buttons, completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, really good length, and they'll be linked down below. Next trend we're seeing is funnel neck, especially jackets and outerwear. These are from AVIA. So it's a scuba knit pullover. That's what it looks like up close. Has like that sandblast look, drop sleeve, banded wrist, banded bottom, that quarter zip with the funnel neck. In the gray green, there's mauve ivory, and they're $24.98. New scuba sets from AVIA. So this is a full zip jacket, has snap buttons, that drop sleeve with the little elastic on the wrist. Also has a little bit of elastic at the bottom. This is the extra small, so it is more of a relaxed fit. $24.98. They also have the scuba pants to match. These have that flat front, elastic through the back, side pocket, that pleated detailing, that same kind of fit. So in that funnel neck are these jackets from AVIA. So mock neck when it's zipped up all the way, that side seam has the little thumb hole, boxy fit, and it also comes in the brown, and these are $24.98. New coats from Time and True. They have that mock neck, the 2 toggles, this little Velcro detail on the wrist, the side pocket. They do have zippers, and then a hood in the back. Comes in the gray, also burgundy and black, and they're $27.98. So in the funnel neck are these new scuba dresses from AVIA. They have that mock neck, the side seam. It's a longer length in the brown. Also comes in black and ivory. And they're $24.98. Another aloe look for less from AVIA. So this is a rib material, stretchy, has that mock neckline in the beige. There's the burgundy, brown, and black, and they're $12.98. Trend we're shopping for are skinny jeans, perfect to wear with your higher boots. These are from Time and True. They have that high rise, the whiskering, fitted through the ankle in this really pretty light denim. Also comes in the black and the mid-tone, and they're $17.98. So from Time and True are these skinny jeggings. These are pull-on. It's fitted through the leg. These are $14.98 in the dark indigo. Also comes in this light wash. They also have in the skinny jean the black. They have the new $11.98 jeans. So these are from No Boundaries. They're mid-rise. They have the boot cut. So no lighter wash denim. There's a mid-tone, the dark indigo and black. I have them in the black. These are really soft, stretchy, and true to size. And then they also have the new skinny style. These are $10.98. These are a little, I think I got my usual size, but they're a little bit more of a smaller fit in the black, dark indigo, mid-tone, and then that light wash. And then another trend we're shopping for are scarves, especially skinny scarves, and it's really on trend with dresses with them attached. This is a tank with the pencil skirt, and then it also comes with the matching skinny scarf. So this one has a little bow, it's a little shorter, fitted midi length in this black floral. Also comes in the burgundy and the 2 pieces, or 3 pieces actually. They're $19.98. No strapless, like tube sweater tops. They have a little bit of a shimmer, fold down. Also comes with the matching thin scarf in the brown. Also comes in the green, and they're $9.98. Bigger scarves from Time and True. So this is a more like warmer material. Has the fringe, the ombre burgundy. Also comes in this leopard. There's this beige burgundy, and those are $11.97. Then lighter weight, this is a 50-inch square from Time and True in the black and white, also in the snakeskin. This purple ombre, there's a blue ombre with the green and black, and then the white and pinks and florals, and those are $11.97. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.